Good afternoon and welcome back to Courtroom Chronicles Trials of South Africa. So I want us to talk about someone here, Julius Mkhwanazi, and why is his name being repeatedly mentioned in the Madlanga Commission of Inquiry. So before we dive in, please remember that everything we say here is just allegations and everyone will be given an opportunity to defend themselves. So today we are going to unpack the allegations against the acting chief of the Ekurhuleni Metropolitan Police Department and his connection to businessman Kat Matlala, and what could this mean for the law enforcement and accountability in South Africa. So Julius Mkhwanazi is the acting chief in the Ekurhuleni Metropolitan Police Department, or what we call the EMPD. He has been here for the longest time, for several years, and he's in the high-ranking officials within the municipality policing structures. So his name surfaced during the testimony in the Madlanga Commission of Inquiry. Commissioner Kat Matlala from the SAPS of KwaZulu-Natal described a situation where certain privileges were allegedly misused by private individuals. So specifically, this man was named as businessman Kat Matlala, and it was reported that he had a few of his personal vehicles, 4 or 5, registered under the municipality as if they were official municipal vehicles. The vehicles were then fitted with official EMPD blue lights, which are strictly reserved for law enforcement. So I want us to read a punchline quote by Commissioner Kat Mkhwanazi, where he said, Kat Matlala is one fellow that has been enjoying too much privilege. This is what the commissioner noted during the testimony. So blue lights are not just symbolic. They carry legal privileges. When those lights are fitted in your car, you can pass red lights, you can demand the right of way, and you can exceed speed limits. So privilege is meant only for emergency and law enforcement vehicles under the Traffic Act. So this alleged misuse isn't just a minor infraction. It implies a serious abuse of state resources and raises questions about security and the rule of law. So the complaint reportedly originated from a chief within the municipality who noticed irregularities in vehicle registration and blue light usage. So when he pursued the investigations, he claims he was suspended for pursuing that, and allegedly because the principal and municipality didn't want the investigation to continue. So that means even though the law may have been broken, little action was reportedly taken against those allegedly responsible for all of this. So Julius Mkhwanazi has firmly denied the allegations, and he claims that Commissioner Kat Mkhwanazi was misinformed, that all EMPD processes were lawful and everything was done by the book. That's what Julius Mkhwanazi said. That was his response and defense. The Ekurhuleni municipality has also supported him, saying that these actions were part of approved private-public agreements and denying that any blue light misuses occurred. So, despite the denials, Julius was placed on special leave. Why? That's the question that I'm asking myself, which has sparked questions. Like I'm saying, if everything was legal, why is the leave necessary? And what did the council and municipal executives, do they know about this? What did they do? Do they know? And another thing, at the same time, the Ekurhuleni City Council has been debating a motion to suspend him. I'm talking about Julius Mkhwanazi. And Julius has stated that he's ready to testify in the Madlanga Commission of Inquiry to clear his name and defend himself against these allegations. So the story is bigger than one official or one businessman. Blue lights symbolize state authority and emergency powers and legal privilege. So allowing private individuals to have access to such resources undermines the public trust and rule of law and accountability. So these allegations, they highlight a potential weakness in the oversight within municipalities, obviously, the law enforcement structures. Whether these claims are proven or denied, they spark important conversations and discussions around corruption. So I don't know. It's privilege and there's no accountability in South Africa. And we're hoping this Madlanga Commission of Inquiry will actually do that for us. It will bring accountability. They won't just take time talking about all these things and nothing comes out of it. So what is next is that Julius Mkhwanazi remains on special leave. Investigations are ongoing and the Ekurhuleni Council is set to make key decisions regarding the potential suspension. And he has expressed his willingness to testify so that he can clear his name at the commission. So it's allegations, it's denials, it's public scrutiny. This is a story to watch closely, obviously. We have been, and there are quite a few names that I haven't spoken about that I would like to speak about. And comment below and tell me what you think about this whole thing. Should private individuals ever have access to state privileges like blue lights? Did you even know that something like this existed? I, for one, didn't know. I've only been paying attention for the last 4 months. Let's see, May, June, July, August, September, 5 months. That's when I've been really paying attention to current affairs and what is happening around us. So with that being said, let me know what you think in the comment section. And it looks like a lot of names are being mentioned, still going to be mentioned. And we'll see where it takes us. God bless you and ciao.